Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. My name is Shreyans and I am back with another video on HTML. So in this video, I will talk about the image tag in HTML. I will tell you how to insert an image in your website, and I will also tell you about the attributes that you can use along with the image tag to enhance your image. So let's start with the codings. So I have written the compulsory tags, which are the HTML head, title, body tag, and I have saved this document with the .html file extension. I've opened the output in the web browser Google Chrome. So let's start. So first of all, you have to write the img word to define a image tag. Now along with the image tag img word, you have to give the attribute source, which is defined by the word src. Now after that, you have to give an equal to sign, and within the double quotes you have to mention the image address of the image that you want to insert in your web page. So I have already selected an image and saved it in my PC. I will just go right click on it and go to properties. Property window appears. Now I will copy this email address which is written beside the location. I will copy it and paste it within the double quotes. Now I will give a slash like this, and again open that properties. Now I will select the name of the image and copy it, and I will be also checking the file extension, that is jpg. Now I will paste this flower name and .jpg. So this is the final email address. Now I will save this and see the output. As you can see, the image has been beautifully inserted in my web page. Now the other attribute is the alt attribute. Now first of all, this attribute is used only when a web browser cannot display your image due to some error or due to some problem in the file extension. So the alt attribute actually displays the text that you have written with the alt attribute when the browser cannot display your image. So for example, I will write the alt attribute equal to, within double quotes I will write flower. So if the browser is unable to display this image, then it will write the text flower. So I will save this and see. So as you can see, there is no text because the browser is already inserted my image. So this is one another attribute. Now the other attribute is the align attribute. Now with the align attribute, as you can understand, it is used to define the position of an image on a web page. It can take only two values, that is right and left. So if it is in the web browser, it is already in the left side of the page. I want it in the right side of the page, so I will write right double quotes and save this. Now as you can see, the image has shifted to the right side. Now the other attribute is the height and width attributes. Basically with this you can specify the height and width. Now for example, I have mentioned the height as 300 and width as 500. I will save this document and display. So now you can see there is a slight change in the height and width of the image. Now the value I have inserted is in the form of pixels. So you can either insert your value in the form of pixels or in the value of percentage, like this, 300% and 500%. So actually there is no difference in the percent and pixel. It is your choice what you will write. Now the last attribute that I am going to explain with the image tag is the borders attribute. Now this is actually used as to enhance your image. With the borders attribute, you actually can give the thickness of the border, or you can insert a border around your image. Now inside this you will write the thickness of the border. I will write 5 and just save this document. And you can see there is a black border around the image. I think some error has occurred, so I will just reduce it back to the pixels and save it. Now as you can see, a black colored border is just inserted around your image, so it gives a very good look to your image. Now I will tell you how to insert an image in the background of your website. Now for inserting a color or giving a color to your web page, you need to write the bg color attribute and just give the color. But if you have to insert an image, then you have to write background body background attribute and just give the email address in here. I will just copy this email address and paste it here. So I have pasted it, and now let me see the output. So as you can see, there is an image which I have inserted, and also the background of the web page has turned to that image. Now you can see the image has been repeated because the image is too small to be fit in the whole web page. So that's why the web page has repeated those images so that it can fill the whole web page. So I think you have understood this whole setup, how to insert an image and how to insert an image in the background of a website. So this is all about the image tag in HTML. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some new thing. If you have any questions, then please comment down below for further suggestions and questions. And please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.